Class 4. Class 4, today I am going to make you do MCQs on Indian culture. So start writing this name. Start writing the question in your EVS copy. Heading मैंने कहा था लिख लिया आप लोगों ने. MCQs on Indian culture. Heading MCQs on Indian culture. I hope all of you must have written MCQs on Indian culture. लिखने के बाद ये पहला क्वेश्चन उतारो. Which one is the longest epic of the world? Write down this question fast. Question 1. Which one is the longest epic of the world? And write the options. A. Ramayana. B. Ramchaitamanas. C. Mahabharata. Or D. Hanuman Chalisa. Write down. Which one is the longest epic of the world? A. Ramayana. B. Ramchaitamanas. C. Mahabharata. Or D. Hanuman Chalisa. हो गया number 1. Now I am showing you the answer of number 1 answer. The correct answer is option C, Mahabharata. टिक कर दो. महाभारत में टिक कर दो. टिक in Mahabharata. Done. Now copy question 2. Raut Nacha. Raut Nacha is folk dance performed mainly by the tribal communities of which state? This is the question. Question number 2. Question number 2 is you copy down in your school EVS copy. Raut Nacha is folk dance performed mainly by the tribal communities of which state? The options are A. Rajasthan, B. Jammu and Kashmir, C. Assam, or D. Chhattisgarh. Write down. Write down. Done. Now I'm giving you the right answer. The correct answer is D. Chhattisgarh. Okay. The correct answer is D. छत्तीसगढ़. जस्ट छत्तीसगढ़ के सामने टिक दे दो. ओके. अंडरस्टूड. Now whoever has finished question 2, please write down question number 3. Question 3 is the Bhimbetka rock shelters are an archaeological site of the Paleolithic period. It is located in which state? Write down, write down. Question 3 is, the Bhimbetka rock shelters are an archaeological site of the Paleolithic period. It is located in which state? Options are A, Gujarat, B, Madhya Pradesh, C, Maharashtra, or D, Jharkhand. And you can see the correct answer. The correct answer is B, Madhya Pradesh. So give tick on Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Give a tick on Madhya Pradesh. The correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. Okay. The first answer is Mahabharata. The second answer is D, Chhattisgarh. And the third answer is B, Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Done. I hope question number 1 everyone has done, finished. Question number 2 everyone has done, finished. I think question number 3 also everyone has done, finished. Now let's move to question 4. Question 4. Question 4 is Thumri singer Girija Devi. Thumri singer Girija Devi belongs to which among the following gharanas? Options are A, Banaras Gharana, B, Agra Gharana, C, Kiran Gharana, and D, Lucknow Gharana. Write down the options first. Question 4. And the correct answer is A, Banaras Gharana. The correct answer is A, Banaras Gharana. I hope all of you are writing in your copy. If you are done question 4, then go to question 5. Question 5. Chakkan Gan Nagai, a post-harvest festival, is celebrated in Dash. In which state? A, Manipur, B, Sikkim, C, Meghalaya, or D, Arunachal Pradesh? Please write down. Write down the options. And here is the answer. The correct answer is A, Manipur. Write down, write down. You have to write only answer, not the notes, not the explanation. जैसे क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का आंसर विल बी ओनली ए, बनारस घराना. You don't have to write Girija Devi belong to Banaras Gharana. She performed classical and liked classical music and has helped elevate the profile of Thumri. These you don't have to write. Only write A, Banaras Gharana. It is MCQ, state MCQ. No explanation required. Okay. Done. Number 5 also done. Chakkan Gan Nagai, a post-harvest festival, is celebrated in Manipur, Sikkim, Meghalaya, or Arunachal Pradesh? And the correct answer is A, Manipur. Then I'm going to question number 6. Question number 6. Answer number 5 is Manipur. Now question number 6. Copy question number 6. Who among the following preach the doctrine of one religion, one caste, and one God for mankind? Who among the following, question number 6, who among the following preach the doctrine of one religion, one caste, and one God for mankind? And the options are A, Jyotiba Phule, B, Vivekanand, C, Sri Narayan Guru, or D, B.R. Ambedkar. Write down all answers. Question 6. Who among the following preach the doctrines of one religion, one caste, and one God for mankind? A. Jyotiba Phule, B. Vivekanand, C. Sri Narayan Guru, or D. B.R. Ambedkar? And the correct answer is C. Sri Narayan Guru. And the correct answer is option C. The correct answer is option C. Sri Narayan Guru. The correct answer is answer C. Sri Narayan Guru. Now question number 7. Whoever finished 6, now go to question number 7. Question number 7. Which among the following temples of India is known as Black Pakora? Pakora. Question 7. Which among the following temples of India is known as Black Pagoda? A. Sun Temple, Konark. B. Brihadiswara Temple of Tanjore. C. Lord Jagannath Temple of Puri. Or D. Meenakshi Temple of Madurai. Write down the options. And the correct answer is A. Sun Temple, Konark. The correct answer is A. Sun Temple, Konark. Question number 7. Which among the following temples of India is known as Black Pagoda? A. Sun Temple, Konark. B. Brihadiswara Temple, Tanjore. C. Lord Jagannath Temple of Puri. Or D. Meenakshi Temple of Madurai. The correct answer is A. Sun Temple of Konark. टिक कर दो सन टेम्पल ऑफ कोणार्क में. Done. Now come to question number 8. Question 8. The famous World Heritage Site I hope all of you are writing. Question number 8. The famous World Heritage Site, Basilica of Bom Jesus. The famous World Heritage Site, Basilica of Bom Jesus, is located in which among the following places in India? A. Options are A. Pondicherry, B. Mahe, C. Daman, or D. Goa. Write down, and the correct answer is D. Goa. And the correct answer is D. Goa. Number 8, correct answer is D. Goa. Number 7, correct answer is Sun Temple Konark. And 6, correct answer is Sri Narayan Guru. 7, correct answer. And the correct answer of 8 is D. D. Goa. The correct answer of 8 is D. Goa. Now go to question 9. Now go to question 9. The famous painting Bani Thani is from which among the following styles of painting? The famous painting Bani Thani is from which among the following styles of painting? Options are A. Kishangarh painting, B. Phar painting, C. Rajput painting, or D. None of these. None of them. And the correct answer is A. Kishangarh painting. And the correct answer is A. Kishangarh painting. Right fast. After that, the last question of the day I will give and then continue tomorrow also in EVS. Okay. The MCQ, more MCQ I will give you. Write down, write down. The correct answer is A. Kishangarh painting. Give it a tick mark. Then question number 10. Question number 10. Which among the following Indian classical dance form was developed by Sudhendra Yogi from Bhama Kalpang dance drama? And question number 9 का आंसर है ए किशनगंज. ओके. Question number 10. Which among the following Indian classical dance form was developed by Sudhendra Yogi from Bhama Kalpang dance drama? Options are A. Kuchipuri, B. Odissi, C. Yakshagana, or D. Kathakali. And the correct answer is A. Kuchipuri. Correct answer is A. Kuchipuri. Question number 9 answer is A. Kishangarh painting. And question number 10 answer is A. Kuchipuri. I hope all of you have understood and written. Now I'm ending my class here. Okay. This 10 MCQ जिसका भी हो गया है आप अपने पास रखें, अभी हमको भेजने का जरूरत नहीं है। जब और भी मैं एमसीक्यू दूंगा, जब पूरा हो जाएगा तब आप लोग मेरे पास चेकिंग के लिए भेजिएगा। ओके, नाउ आई एम एंडिंग माय क्लास हियर। ओके।